Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I've got this package right here. It's by Snack Club. The name is Tajin toasted, corn, chili, lime and lime. Here is the package. Cherry, sure. You guys really see it? See, it's Snack Club. Says Tajin. It's like chili corn flavored. It says in the back, it says at Snack Club we believe it's you snack great, you feel great. That's why we're partnered with Tajin to add their bold and flavorful seasoning to our creativity, crafted nuts and mixes. So grab a bag of our delicious snacks made exclusively with Tajin and discover what happens when you go beyond the trail. Okay, I got really nothing too much to do right now. Sitting on the bed. Okay, opening this package right now. Okay guys, I'm gonna try out this package. It tastes like, chips, and tastes like, the brand, Fritos. So it tastes like, but corn chips is just what it is. It's a little bit spicy, but it's not that spicy. It's very tinted, what it's called. A little bit salty. It's not, it's not, sweet or anything in it. I would just guess it's just, 2 or 3, rating for this one. It's good. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like this video, I have like like other videos you can check out. Okay. Thank you.